In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable the auto renewal feature on your Hostinger account, a handy step if you're managing multiple subscriptions or planning to make changes to your hosting services. Let's dive in and make sure you have complete control over your renewals. First, let's begin by logging into your Hostinger account. Open your preferred web browser and head over to the Hostinger website. Once there, you'll see the login option prominently displayed on the top right corner of the page. Click on it and proceed to enter your credentials. If you're not signed in, type in your registered email address and your password, then hit enter or click on the login button. It's crucial to ensure that you're logging into the correct account, especially if you manage more than one. Double check that you have the right credentials handy to avoid unnecessary login attempts or delays. Once you're successfully logged in, the next step is to navigate to the billing section. You'll find it on the left side of your dashboard, usually labeled plainly as billing. Clicking on this will take you to all things related to your financial transactions on Hostinger, from invoices to payment methods. Among these options, you'll notice a tab marked Services. Go ahead and click on this next. This section will list all the services to which you are currently subscribed. It's your one-stop hub for managing your Hostinger services. With the services list before you, the task now is to identify the specific service for which you wish to disable auto renewal. Once you've located it, click on it to select. It's important to ensure you're selecting the right service, as this will impact its renewal status. Upon selecting the service, you should see an option regarding the auto renewal status. This is typically accompanied by a toggle or an on-off indicator. Move the toggle or click to disable the auto renewal feature. Disabling auto renewal is a significant step, especially if you're reevaluating your hosting needs or budgeting for future expenses. After toggling off the auto renewal, you'll need to confirm your decision. A confirmation pop-up usually appears at this stage, asking you if you're certain about changing this setting. Verify the changes you've made and confirm to proceed. Taking a moment to review this ensures that you won't encounter any surprises in the future with unexpected renewals or billing issues. And that's it. You've successfully disabled auto renewal for your chosen service on Hostinger. By staying engaged with your subscription renewals, you're empowering yourself to manage your financial commitments wisely and strategically plan your hosting requirements. Thank you for tuning into this tutorial. Be sure to check out our other videos for more helpful tips on maximizing your Hostinger experience.